Hello, my name is Yang, and today we are going to look at our pronunciation video channel. So today we are having a look at this letter U, the letter U, and U of course is a vowel, the long vowel. So we are going to use these words to come up with four sounds that the letter U can or is able to make or capable of making. Let's start. First, we have our word up. Let's write the sound, the spelling of the sound, up. So we're going to have up. Up, up. So here we see that our U make the sound up, up, as in bass, up, up. So it made the sound up, 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 up. The second one is unite, unite. So here our U make the sound, or it says its name. It says its name. U. Let me write it. The sound is U. Our U makes the sound U. In other words, we say that the U says its name. The next one we're going to look at is in the word earn. So we're going to have let me write it one more time, sorry. Earn. So here the U which makes the sound the U makes the sound and the last one is the word put. Let's write the sound or the spelling of the sound. Put, put. So if you look at the word put, you will see that our U makes the sound O. So we've come up with four ways that the U can be pronounced or can be said if we talk in terms of sound or pronunciation. So the first one is the U makes the vowel sound up, as in up. And the second one, the U makes the long vowel sound U, as in unite. And the next one, the U makes the sound as in earn. Then the next one, the U makes the sound O or U, as in put. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.